Hello students, today I will start chapter number 4 practical geometry of your main course book. Let's see the exercise number 4.1. In the question number 1 you have to construct the following quadrilaterals. Like the first part is quadrilateral ABCD where AB is given, BC is given, CD is given, AD is given and AC is given. Second part is quadrilateral JUMP. Third part is parallelogram MORE. And the fourth part is rhombus BEST. Let's see the solution of the first part. Student, for the solution of the first part, each and every student you have to use the geometry box like pencil, scale, compass and protractor. Like in the A part you can see this is the A part. In the A part draw AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. That means firstly you should draw AB line which is 4.5 centimeter. Then the B point is draw an arc taking radius 5.5 centimeter from the point B. Now students, you have to take radius of 5.5 centimeter in your compass. Then you have to put your compass on point B and draw an arc like this. Then you should take the radius of 7 centimeter in the compass, and now you have to put your compass point on A and draw another arc like this which cut the previous arc at point C. You can see here, and then you have to join the points like this and like this. Then from the point number C you have to take the radius of 4 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc like this, and from A you have to take the radius of 6 centimeter and draw another arc like this which cut the previous arc at point D students. Now you have to join AD and CD. This is the given quadrilateral. Now students, let's see the second part. In the second part, firstly students, you have to draw the line JU, that is 3.5 centimeter like this. You can see here. Then you have to put your compass point on J on this point and take the radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc like this. Then put your compass point on U and take the radius of 6.5 centimeter and draw another arc like this which cut the point at P. Then you have to join JP and PU. Now students, you have to put your compass point on U and take the radius of 4 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc like this. Then you have to put your compass on point P and take the radius of 5 centimeter and draw another arc like this which cut the previous arc at point M. Now students, you have to join PM and MU. This is the required quadrilateral. Let's see the next question. Now students, you have to draw the parallelogram. Parallelogram. In the parallelogram, you know length and length is same and breadth is same students. You have to know about the parallelogram before constructing the figure. Student, firstly you have to draw the line which is OR, that is 6 centimeter. Now you have to put your compass point on R on this point or draw an arc which is 4.5 centimeter like this. Then you have to put your compass point on O and draw another arc which is 7.5 centimeter like this which cut the previous arc at point E. Then you have to join OE and ER like this. After this students, you have to put your compass point on O and take the radius of 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc like this. Then you have to put your compass point on E and take the radius of 6 centimeter, draw another arc like this which cut the previous arc at point M. Then join OM and OE. This is the required parallelogram students. Now let's see the last part of this question. Student, for this question firstly you have to draw a line TE like this, which is 6 centimeter. Now students, you have to bisect the TE like this. With the compass you have to bisect the line TE like this, and then you have to draw two arc, that is 4.5 centimeter. From here you have to cut the point 4.5 centimeter from here with the ruler and compass like this, and then these 2 points you have to join like this. This is the rhombus, and in the rhombus all sides are equal. When you observe this, you can see all sides of these figures are equal. That means this is the required rhombus, that is BEST. Now I hope you are able to draw each and every figures which is available in the exercise number 4.1. Thank you students. Now students, let's see the exercise number 4.2. In the question number 1, construct the following quadrilaterals. There are 3 parts in this question. In the first part you have to construct the quadrilateral LIFT, in the second part you have to construct the quadrilateral GOLT, and in the third part you have to construct the rhombus which is BENT. Let's see the first part of the given question. In the first part students, how you will construct the quadrilateral LEFT, let's see. Student, firstly you have to draw the line, that is LI, which is 4 centimeter. Then you have to put your compass point on L and take the radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc like this. Then you have to put your point on I and take the radius of 3 centimeter and draw another arc like this, which cut the previous arc at point F. Now friends, you have to join LF and IF like this. Now friends, you have to again put your compass point on L and take the radius of 2.5 centimeter and draw an arc like this. Then you have to again put your compass point on I and take the radius of 4 centimeter and draw another arc like this, which cut the previous arc at point T. Now students, you have to join LT and TI. Now students, let's see the second part of question number 1. In this question students, firstly you have to draw the line OL, that is 7.5 centimeter. Then you have to put your compass point on L and take the radius of 5 centimeter and draw an arc like this. Then you have to put your compass point on O, then take the radius of 10 centimeter and draw another arc like this, which cut the previous arc at point D. Now students, you have to join OD and DL. After this students, you have to put your compass point on D and take the radius of 6 centimeter, draw an arc like this. Then you have to put your compass point on L and take the radius of 6 centimeter, draw another arc like this, which cut the previous arc at point G. Now student, join DL, GD and OG. This is the required quadrilateral GOLD. Let's see the next question. It is the rhombus figure, and you know about the rhombus, each and every sides are equal. Student, for the rhombus, firstly you have to draw the line DE, which is 6.5 centimeter. Now students, you have to bisect the line DE. After bisecting is, you can see the midpoint of the DE is O. And now you have to put your compass point on O and take the radius of 2.58 centimeter and cut the line like this. Then you have to see 2 points are there, that is N and that is B. Now you have to join DB BE, EN and ND. This is the required rhombus, which is BEND. I hope now you are able to solve the exercise number 4.2 also. Thank you, students.